Eggs with a difference. Let's throw it all together and see what we get. It always ends up that little bit different each time. Today we won't be adding any oil, we'll use some water instead. The bacon will add a small amount of fat to help with the cooking, not to mention the additional flavour. You will need to stir that little bit more often due to using water rather than oil. Mix in the egg whites first without breaking the yolks. Fresh herbs add that freshness and flavour to the dish. Our meal is now ready to serve. Please like and subscribe.